Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from Cinema Sound. Today we're continuing in our video series on how to make music for your multimedia productions and how to choose the right music. Today we're going to be talking about a kind of an unknown secret little hack for creating big bass response in your orchestra scores, even if you're using in-the-box samples. Let me show you. We're here in Apple's Logic Pro X, and we're looking at a clip from the Pilot Blade of Honor, which I shot many years ago and did the score for. Let me just play this clip for you to give you kind of an idea. It's an action scene, but a fanfare ensues, and that's what we want to take a look at here. Now, typically, when you use samples, even with big, beautiful double bass samples and tubas and things like that, it's very difficult to get low frequency response. How do you get that powerful, low frequencies? If you're in an orchestra, double basses sort of give it to you, probably more than anybody else. The problem with tubas and cymbassos and double bass trombones is that they also come with an awful lot of high frequency overtones, so you don't get a lot of lows. With a piano and it's not there. So you don't really get a lot of 50 hertz, some real cajon body. So let me just see here. Let me take a look at what happens if I just solo the trombones, the cymbasso tuba here on this little line. Lots of blat, lots of fun, but not a lot of low frequencies. We really don't have that. Let's take a look way down here at the double basses, where here, you can see here, I actually just copied the cymbasso line over and did some controller data. Oh, only gave it that much. Okay, well, there we go. In fact, let's just add that in there just so that we can have it. And I'm going to record that right here. And the rest of it will be history. But again, there's some beautiful sound here. But, there's not a lot of low frequencies. And if you're watching this on little speakers, you're probably going to miss out on this whole thing. So what would we do? Do we just add more EQ? I know that rhymes, I'm sorry. But no, the answer is no. We drop back and punt back to 1982 with the Jupiter 8. And we find a beautiful Jupiter 8 sample, which I happen to have here. Just samples, nothing exquisite or exciting. You can pull this from anywhere. This is the EX24, but it's, just any old Jupiter 8 or Jupiter 6 or even Matrix 12 big bass synth sound. And I have it on a controller on the mod wheel so that I can make it really nasty or where it should probably live. And if you're again listening on headphones, you're able to hear how much low this here. Pretty simple stuff. But how would we ever use this in an orchestra? There's nothing orchestral about that. Well, if we mix it low enough, but powerfully enough, it makes a huge difference in the low frequency portion of the sound, and no one will know anything about it. Let me just show you. I'm going to record this in here with everybody playing. Somewhere here, we're going to turn up just so you can hear it a little bit more. Here we go. Oh, maybe we should unsolo. Han Solo. All right, let's see how we did here. Let's take a listen. And, I don't like that. So we're going to go to the piano roll. And what we'll do is I've got a mono legato feature that when I bring these all together, in fact, we'll just, that attack is not something that I'm really happy about, having jumped through all these little hoops. So we'll take these and we'll just extend them a little bit because I've got it in a monophonic is what I mean. Much nicer for me. Let's take a look now how this works in the whole score with let's remember what it sounds like with it off. Muting. Oops. And on. And you can do this wherever you want throughout the score and use it judiciously. And if you give it its own stem and you're sneaky about it, you can actually assign that track only to the LFE so that every time it comes in, which isn't all the time, please, but sometimes the whole theater rocks with that LFE low frequency orchestra power. Hopefully you found this video extra helpful, a little LFE low frequency hack for you. If so, please subscribe to this and channel, and please watch all of the hundreds of other videos that we have here for you on the Cinema Sound YouTube channel. We also hope to see you at cinemasound.com. Come visit us there and take a look at the hundreds and hundreds of videos and articles that we have to help you get that Hollywood immersive production value into your productions. And by the way, we're the world's only fully comprehensive education for independent filmmakers and media creatives in sound, getting how to get that Hollywood immersive sound, an 85-hour course that you can purchase and get a discount if you're a Cinema Sound member and just start from, I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know how to do sound for picture, maybe I'm just a photographer, all the way to I'm delivering professional grade Hollywood level 3D audio, no problem. We hope to see you at cinemasound.com. Until then, we'll see you in post.
Even if it's for yourself.